Oh, hi everyone, welcome back to my brand new video. So guys, in this video, I want to say to you that the most important thing that how I learned the English language, that when we listen the English language, we are thinking that English all chapter I got like full mark, but when in the time of the English exam I got very like low, very like fail, I failed. So why? So in this happen have done because we need some formula to learn the English language or anything, that we need some formula. That the thing is, without formula we cannot know everything. That we English has a rule, like if you understand you can learn better, if you cannot understand you cannot learn better. So that is the thing, it English is very complicated language. So guys, uh day after day ago, that we are make some video, we are made a video with my friend. I made a video, the story, the story is the villager and the spectacles. So the villager and the spectacles, guys, in this story we will say to you that the foolish person with the foolish person, that the foolish villagers, as I say, the foolish villager. So the foolish villager, what they do? So one day when he saw when he saw a like old man read a paper. So he decide, with four spectacles, the old man read a paper. So he decide, if I had a spectacle, so I also can read and write like this man. He cannot understand that spectacles only help you to see better, not read and write. So he cannot understand this. So that's why that education is must be important to survive in this country, in this time. To survive, education is must be important. Without education, you cannot got respect. Without education, you cannot get respect. Without education, you cannot be success in your life. That education is must be important to do anything in your life. Education is the must be important. Like, think that if you did not have education, your parents also say that what you do in your future, you cannot read and write, you cannot do anything, you cannot do this thing, you cannot like concentrate anything, how you do anything in your future. So I have a solution, that's thing, that learn the English language. So when you just learn the English language, when you know the English language, you can know the lot of things, because the education persons also did not know the English language. They also can understand English language, they also can write in English language, but they cannot speak English language. So this way you can know how to learn the English language, you can know the English language. So you think, you say to your mother that now your parent, and now you say, who are the educated person, he or me? He also educated, but he didn't know the English language. He understand English language, he also can write English language, but he cannot speak the English language. Now you tell me that who are the educated person? They think English language is the must be important language, that why English language is used everywhere. If you go to the another company, that English language is must be important. That thing is the English language. Without English language, you cannot be success in your life. That when you go to the company, that in this time you have to know the computer. You have to know the computer, but the computer have also English language, not your mother tongue. All the sentence, all the update, all the thing, it's written by English word. If you cannot know the English language, so how you can understand the word? That is the important thing to do anything in your future, that English is must be important. That my parents also say that English, you also can read English. I don't tell this about this thing, but you also make video. I don't talk this another thing. So you just focus on your study. I also still focus on my study, but in my free time, I can use this my free time to make a video to share with you my feelings, to share with you my new ideas. So this thing is must be important. As I say it, that English is must be important and learn English language. English is used everywhere. Like your father was the graduated person, like think that. So in this time your father also can do job. So in this job's boss, in this company's boss, you told your father that what is your name, but extra thing that you go to the USA and then you live some time in the USA, and then have I will give you some work in USA, you can complete this work, and then after you came here. So in this time, if your father also can want to go the USA, to go to the USA with with your family, as I say it, with your family. So in this time when you cannot know the English language, how you communicate with another person, like think when you across the border, that people are started communicated, like think when you just go to the USA. So in this time, if you cannot know the English language, so how you can express your thought in front of someone that you need something to eat. They did not understand your mother tongue, they only understand the English language. How you can tell this thing? If you cannot know the English language, how you can tell this thing? That thing is English is must be important. So I always say to you, I always recommend to you that English, learn English. That ever tried, ever failed, no matter, try again, fail again. The world is yours. Do everything what you need. No one can tell you that what is your mistake. I will tell you some quotes. Listen to, be careful. This course will motivate you. I take a guarantee. Number one is, like think, happy people will always focus. Happy people will always focus what they have. Happy people will always focus what they have, but unhappy people always focus what is the missing. Listen to, be careful. Happy people will always focus what they have, but unhappy people always focus what is the missing. This is the thing. That number two, listen, be careful. That number two is I will always happy. You know why? I always happy because I did not expect anything, anyone, from anyone. So listen, be careful. That do you know, like think that I always feel happy. You know why? Because I did not expect anything from anyone. Expectation will always hard to you. Don't expect anything. Like you expected this thing that you got like a full mark in your exam, but when the exam result are out, so you can like failed. You cannot got the better number. Your expectation this time you can feel hurt. You hurt this time. So expectation is very dangerous thing, as I say it. That number two is like what is the course, I just forget this course. So life is a problem. Life is a problem, but problem is not a permanent, but life is permanent. So face the problem with with confidence and enjoy your own life. Life is a problem, but problem is not permanent, but life is permanent. So face the problem with confidently and enjoy your own life. I hope this course will motivate yourself. So first you have to subscribe my channel, because in this all my video, when I upload my video, sorry, when I upload my next ideas, my unique videos to you, my first notification will came in your YouTube, you came in you, so you can watch my video and you can learn everything from my video. So this video is in, so if you like this video, so also subscribe my channel, because if you won't subscribe will get, I got motivated. You won't subscribe, please guys subscribe my channel, and also like, and also comment. So if you have anything, you also can comment me, I will give the answer. So thank you for watching, bye, see you in the next interesting video. Wait, first you have saw this video, we will do a lot of fun. So I hope you all are well. So thank you for watching, bye, see you.